Hi, I'm Zuill, and I'm going to be at Agile Testing Days in Boston, June 25th through 29th, 2018. I'll be sharing mob programming, and I'd love it if you could join me there. I think of mob programming as being all the brilliant minds working together on the same thing at the same time, in the same space, and at the same computer. At first look, this seems preposterous. How can we possibly be productive 5 people working at one computer? But it's worked well for us, and I'd like to share with you what it is, how we do it, and why we do it. It's based on important concepts from the Agile Manifesto. For example, we value individuals and interactions over processes and tools. To me, this means that we recognize that we will benefit greatly if we can make it easy for each person to excel in their work. And since most software development requires more than one person, we also want to make it easy to have meaningful, fruitful, and timely interactions. That is, we want to enhance our ability to collaborate well. It also builds on extreme programming ideas, such as the whole team, and we can think of it as an evolutionary step beyond pair programming. It's rather straightforward, but it's not simply putting a group of people together in front of a computer and expecting good things to automatically happen. This is a collaborative way to work. It's not 5 people watching 1 or 2 people programming, but rather a whole team working together, sharing ideas about the problems and challenges we face, then turning those ideas into delivered working software as directly as possible. The entire team, with all the needed skills and knowledge, stays and works together in the same context. This means that everyone, the coders, testers, designers, product experts, whoever is needed, work together in real time. So each team member can bring their best to everything we do at the precise moment it is needed, or at least as close to that as possible. So please join me for Agile Testing Days, and you'll learn about the benefits we've seen from working this way, the techniques and practices we've found helpful, and some of the problems you might want to watch out for. Agile Testing Days, Boston, Massachusetts, June 25th through 29th, 2018. I hope to see you there.